Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. And now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to press the middle button to wake up the screen on our watch. And once you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the control panel. Now scroll through the panel, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general option, then scroll down and find the reset settings option and tap on it. And then tap on the reset to confirm, and let's wait. And after the reset is complete, the watch will turn off, and after it turns off, you can turn it back on by pressing either the upper button or the middle button. Let's press and hold the upper button first. Okay, this didn't work, so let's press and hold the middle button. Okay, the middle button worked, so after the watch vibrates, let's wait a couple more seconds. As you can see, we have the option to select the language, which means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.